Today I'm showing you how I make my own DIY disinfecting granite cleaner. I'm going to be using 4 ingredients that you may already have at home. The ingredients are water, Castile soap, rubbing alcohol, and essential oil. If you don't have Castile soap on hand, you can substitute dish soap. And the last ingredient, the essential oil, is optional. I like to include the essential oil to add a scent to the disinfecting smell of the rubbing alcohol. Some popular scents are lavender or citrus. I'm using Hinoki essential oil, which has a woody scent with hints of lemon, but you can choose a scent you like. Now let's get started.